Don't post your WhatsApp status. Yes, don't do it. Why? Because it is actually distracting the other people. Yes, I have realized it. In the past 1 week, I was using WhatsApp extensively and I came to know how I am actually getting distracted by some other people's status. The time that you start actually realizing the capability of WhatsApp, how it is actually distracting you from whatever you are doing, whatever the current activity you are on. It is not doing anything, it's just giving a small tiny dot, and this tiny dot is really sufficient to make a distract. As I already mentioned in my YouTube video, you can see the link. Just click on that link to see how our actually brain responds to notifications if you have not seen that. To perceive anything which is new, it wants to know the new information, it is hungry for information, and that is why these social media apps are actually using it to create distractions and to help them be spending the time on their apps. So friends, so what we can do is, instead of sharing the same thing on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and also on WhatsApp, there are 6 platforms. We can share the one thing on 5 other platforms and let the WhatsApp be the user interface which we really liked. Just a normal way of talking to one. Don't post videos, don't post these things. Now you can say you are doing the same thing. Yes, I was doing, but from tomorrow onwards I will not be doing anything on WhatsApp. I will not share any post, I will not share any video. This is the pledge which I have taken today. Let me know in your comments and your opinions on this video, and thank you for watching. And please do subscribe to the channel for some more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.